For our elf hat, we'll be using a 5-inch round that I've blown up to about 2.5 to 3 inches. I've got a blush that I've blown up 260, leaving about 3 inches uninflated on the end. A red 260 with about 3 inches uninflated. And a green 260 with about 1 inch uninflated. We're going to start with our red, and what you'll do is take a measure around the person's head. Let's say their head is that size. You want to find where it's going to cross over, but don't twist it in yet. What we're going to do is twist that to mark that spot. I'm going to let the air out of the end and then tie it just into a circle the size of their head. Then we're going to take that and divide that into 2 equal bubbles. So you now have that. By doing that, we won't have anything on the front or the back, and it makes it a cleaner hat. Now we're going to take our blush, and we're going to make a pair of ears, elf ears. So what you do is make about a 2.5 to 3 inch bubble and make it a fold twist. Grab the nozzle and twist it in there. Make about a 1/2 inch bubble. Make that a pinch twist. That's the bottom lobe of the ear. Now the top of the ear, you want to make about maybe about a 2.5 inch bubble, and then the next bubble you want it to be slightly longer to get that sort of bowed back shape. Now take the excess, remove it, but keep it inflated because, as you probably realize, unless it's Van Gogh, elves have 2 ears. So there's your first ear, and we're going to take that and attach that to one of these points on the side of our red, just like that. Ear number 1. And now we're going to repeat the process to make our second ear. So you'll make your fold twist, your pinch twist, your first bubble, and then your second bubble. Now any excess that you have, you can remove. You don't have to save it. And then take that and attach that to the other side of your red for your hat. Securing in place, and of course make sure that both of your ears are facing the same direction. In other words, they're both leaning towards the back. Now we're going to take our green 260. What we're going to do is fold it roughly in half, and then I'm going to come over off to the side again, because like with the Santa hat, if you've already seen that, I like it to tilt over to the side a little bit, not stick straight up. So twist it at that point and then make 2 little 1/2 inch bubbles, each into a pinch twist. So there's our first pinch twist. Our second pinch twist is these 2 pinch twists here. Give us the place to attach our red 5-inch round. So take your red, twist the nozzle around the pinch twist a couple of times to secure them in place. Position that just like that. Now we're going to take each of the 2 ends of our green here and attach each end to one of the 2 points where the ears are attached to our red. Just like that. Attach one in there by twisting the nozzle in. Then grab the nipple from the other end and attach it to the other side. Twist it around a time or 2 to secure it. And we're going to kind of shape our hat where it leans over a little bit. And there you have your elf hat with pointy ears.